I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to kill the roots in your plumbing system. Now for this job, we'll be using a root killer. With this root killer, what you can do is go to your clean out or the closest toilet and pour the entire container down the drain. And then go ahead and run some water in there, whether it be with a hose or flushing your toilet, to help move all that product down the line. What happens is this chemical attaches to the roots and starts to decay it. And within about 3 weeks to 4 weeks, that root will be decayed and start to be moving down through the lines a lot faster. One nice thing about this product is you can put it in there in the spring, the fall, the winter, the summer, it doesn't matter. But what I like to do is wait until the plants actually start to grow up in the spring, dump a bunch of this down the drain and go ahead and flush it down or run some water through there, so that way as that plant starts to get stronger and grow, it's going to be absorbing more water, which will help kill those roots. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.